In this episode, we are whipping up a deliciously moist Tres Leches cake with a berrylicious twist. Let's start by making the cake base, for which simply sift together the dry ingredients and set aside for now. There are 3 parts to making this cake, and we are making part 1, which is the cake base itself. Continuing with the recipe, onto a separate bowl, whisk together yogurt and sugar, then gradually add in the oil. For an extra pop of color, feel free to add a touch of pink food coloring, but this is totally optional.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain.
Fold the dry ingredients into the wet in 2 stages using a rubber spatula until smooth.
Beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
We will be transferring this cake batter into a prepared casserole that measures 13 by 9 inches. By prepared pan, I mean simply butter the cake pan, line it with parchment paper and dust the sides with flour. Level the top off and bake this in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 35 minutes. While that is baking, let us proceed to part 2 of the recipe, which is making the strawberry milk. Simply blend milk and strawberries, then strain to remove the seeds.
There's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
To this, add sweetened condensed milk and cream. Let it chill in the refrigerator until the cake is ready.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other.
As we talk, the cake is ready, so doing the toothpick test, all good. Let's transfer it to a wire rack. The catch here is, unlike the regular cake which is allowed to cool completely, here we will allow it to cool just a bit.
Building castles out of sand, reaching for the ground.
So while the cake is still warm, transfer it to the casserole in which we baked and poke holes on top of the cake. Acha, while we talk, let me share a tip for this recipe. Baking the cake in the same pan in which you intend to serve the cake makes the process a lot easier. Before soaking the cake with the prepared strawberry milk, we would take out a portion of this onto a separate container. I'll explain why in a moment. As of now, pour the rest of the milk over the cake, ensuring it soaks up all that deliciousness. Cover the cake with cling wrap and let it chill overnight. This allows the cake to absorb the milk and flavors, resulting in that signature moist texture that you find in a Tres Leches cake. The next day, whip up some cream to your desired consistency. I am piping mine on top, so whipping it to stiff peaks, but feel free to whip it to soft peaks if you prefer to spread it on top of your cake. Either way, the cake would look beautiful, and this is the final part of the recipe. The cream that I'm using here is already sweetened, so I am skipping the icing sugar, but if you're using an unsweetened cream, find the recipe ingredients in the description box below for the same.
Reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Let a pine.
Pipe this beautiful design on top of the cake. I am using the scent honore piping tip here, which looks something like this. Hope my pronunciation is right, but if not, again find all the things that I am using in this recipe in the description box below for easy access.
Do you recall when we were young, running from all things at once, with without thinking.
Finally, garnish with fresh fruits and refrigerate for an additional 2 hours. Trust me, this cake tastes best when chilled. And let me break this to you, the first slice of the cake will never be even as seen on the YouTube videos on Tres Leches Cake, so don't be disheartened. I promise this cake will bring joy and make moments when you serve it on your dinner table with your loved ones. Be sure to check out our other Tres Leches Cake variations by clicking the links at the end of the video or find all the related recipes in the description box below. That's it for this one. I'll see you soon in my next one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.
Time is gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight.